How to add music in Instagram story. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll simply guide you through the steps on how you can add music on Instagram stories, so make sure to watch the video till the end. In order to add music on your Instagram story, go ahead and then first of all open the Instagram application here. Then you just want to make sure to try to upload a normal story as you would do in any way. Once you select a story that you would like to upload, let's say that you want to add a music to this story, and in order to add a music to the story, just tap the sticker icon from the top right hand side here, and then here you'll find this option called music. Then just tap on it. Now you can just select any of the music, or you can simply search for your custom music that you would like to add to this. Then you can just select the music. Now you can choose to add a music only, or you can choose to add a lyric based on different types of languages and different types of banners here, as you can see. Depending upon what you want, you can also choose the verse of the song that you want to add normally, and then just tap the done button. Now you can drag this to any part of the screen as well if you'd like, and this way you can go ahead and add a music to the Instagram story. Hope this video was very helpful to you guys, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.